breakfast is the egg pile for cream cheese lovers. Let that egg get that cream cheese all nice and melty. Yum. So good. You need to try it. Okay, so a little update on what's going on. We are moved into the house, have all of the stuff for the most part out. We're headed back over there today. We're gonna get the trampoline and we're gonna do some cleanup and get the house ready for the market. So we're gonna take you along with us. We'll see you there. Here we are. Check the mail. Gotta get the grass mowed. We've got blooms coming up on my roses, so I'm so excited. So let's go take a look at those. My roses look so pretty and green. And I spy some little buds. Hopefully they're gonna get all nice and bloomed out before we get the house listed, before we get the pictures taken. Just love seeing all this green. This is my flower bed. Planted a whole bunch of wildflowers. So I think that would be really pretty if those could be bloomed before we get the pictures taken. It is.
Greyson, he got 11.
Hey,
you got 11. Yeah, but we're sharing with them.
No, you're not sharing the nuggets with us. No. So we've got to repaint the yellow. Got to clean the bathroom. Take all the jewelry down. Just clean everything really good. Make sure I got everything out of here. Got another thing of jewelry. Paint all of the touch-up spots. Pretty much touched up all of the orange area. I need to take down that beast.
Chicken nuggets are good.
Okay.
Hi, I'm in a vlog. I feel important.
We need to hang up all of the new
Important.
mini blinds that we got in. Let me see here. Probably need to do a few touch-ups in here. This one looks pretty good. We need to take those mattresses out. Get the floors swept and mopped. Get the bathroom cleaned up really nice. Take Connor's curtains down. Well, they were actually my daughter's curtains that we just never took out. Sweep. Looks everything. We got everything. Looks like we forgot that. Okay, we got a lot to do. Do you think we can do it?
Are you pointing at me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
How How many days do you think it's going to take for us to vacuum, clean carpets?
We already cleaned most of the carpet.
Yeah, we did shampoo the carpets. We'll probably do it again and paint.
I think 3 days with the speed that me and Greyson are looking at.
3 days.
Since today we're basically gonna have a lot of fun here. This is not right, Mom.
Yeah.
Bluetooth connecting.
Let me tell y'all, if you're gonna eat chicken nuggets, sweet and sour sauce, man. So good. It's sweet and it's sour.
Okay, we need to finish the shed. Finish nailing up the wood, painting the bottom, caulking. We still need to pack up the entire shed portion of that. Clean up the yard, mow, get the trampoline, take all of our pots.
Mom, I thought you said do the VR.
And then we should be able to put it on the market.
Do your viewers know, Mom, that we have a virtual reality headset?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
We're gonna get some footage of that. That's gonna be fun.
Okay. All right.
Hello.
Go.
Hello.
Oh,
Hello.
get up.
Knock it down and see what it looks like, and then go find my trowel right now though. Kid's still playing
Here's your
on the
trowel.
Oculus.
You said, I thought I heard you say, I'll go find my child.
Alright. And I need to do in here. I need to go pull those wires out. Sand that down. I think I'll just put some caulking in that hole. Alright, I'm gonna go pull that out outside. Okay, good. Pulled them out. Kind of broke off on me, so I thought maybe they stayed inside. Alright. Wanna help me?
I was just checking out what you do and I heard all the commotion. This side?
Alright, that's good enough. Let that dry for a little bit. Now let's check out this. That's what it looks like without it knocked down. Alright, let's see. That's the original one. I'll just get after it dries, I'll get a damp cloth and rub it down, and it'll make those edges more round like that, and they'll look pretty good. Alright, let's give texture. So let's spray it. Give it some texture. Alright, while that dries, I should caulk all these in this room, but I just realized the caulking I bought is clear, and I do not like the clear kind. It never paints well. Bought 7 tubes of it, and I thought they were all white, and 3 of them were, and 4 of them were clear. So I gotta go to Walmart and exchange and get some white. Well, I'll open another tube up, I guess, of the white, and go ahead and finish in here. And here they are in their natural habitat still. Alright, it's been about 4 minutes. Let's knock it down. Alright, that's not too bad. It's looking better. I'll have to give it another coat. I'm gonna wait till this dries more. Try to match it to that, but it's gonna look good. Try to work on that right there. Let it dry and I'll give it another good shot around this area. Maybe. Might be able to sand that down more.
Your tail is so cute. Yeah, it's so cute. Hi, sweet girl. Oh, you sweet girl. Oh.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel and share it with your social media. This will encourage us to make some more videos on this journey we're about to begin, and hope to see you again.